On April 2nd, the U.S. announced reciprocal tariffs of 34% on Chinese goods. On April 4th, China announced a 34% tariff on U.S. goods imported to China. On April 7th, the U.S. threatened to further increase tariffs on Chinese goods by 50%. On April 8th, the U.S. side will further increase the so-called equivalent tariff of 34% previously announced on Chinese products exported to the U.S. by 50% to 84%. On April 9th, China raised tariffs on U.S. goods from 34% to 84%. On April 9th, the U.S. increased tariffs on Chinese imports from 84% to 125%. On April 11th, China raised tariffs on U.S. goods from 84% to 125%. On April 17th, the U.S. confirmed that the cumulative tariffs on some Chinese goods have reached 245%, and China said that it would ignore Trump's tariff number game and file a complaint with the WTO. On May 12th, China and the U.S. issued a joint statement on tariff reduction. The U.S. eliminated 91% of the additional tariffs on Chinese goods. China removed 91% of the countermeasure tariffs on U.S. goods. The U.S. suspended 24% of the reciprocal tariffs on Chinese products. China suspended 24% of the countermeasure tariffs on U.S. goods. From the 34% tariff confrontation in April to the cancellation of 91% tariffs in May, China and the United States completed the transition from fierce confrontation to rational correction in 40 days. During this period, China pursued the principle of, "We will fight, if fight we must. Our doors are open, if the U.S. wants to talk." This game proves that there are no winners in a trade war, and dialogue remains the core path to resolving differences.